Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger in Zoho. First, understand that ledgers are essential for tracking all financial transactions, providing a clear overview of your business's health. We'll begin by navigating to the chart of accounts within your Zoho account. This is where all your financial categories are organized. You'll need to prepare some basic information like the ledger name and type before you start. Once in the chart of accounts, locate and click the New Account button. This action opens a form where you'll define your new ledger. It's crucial to select the correct account type from the drop-down menu, such as asset, liability, equity, income, or expense. Then, provide a unique and descriptive name for your ledger, ensuring it clearly represents its purpose for accurate record keeping. After naming your ledger, you'll configure its details. Assigning a suitable account code helps with organization and quick identification, especially as your chart of accounts grows. Always add a brief description to clarify the ledger's specific use. You also have the option to designate it as a sub-account, linking it to a parent account for more detailed financial reporting and analysis. With your new ledger created, you can now accurately record all relevant transactions, ensuring your financial data is precise. Regularly generating financial reports, like the balance sheet or profit and loss statement, will provide valuable insights into your business performance. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab Some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals we've found for you. Keeping your finances organized and your car fresh is a win-win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.